Hi guys, it's Gareth from Silent Push, and for this video I'd like to show you how to use our free community edition to obtain a list of third-party services that are linked to your domain. Another key component of any subdomain or general DNS defense operation, and how to interrogate the data. If your brand has a DNS record pointing to a deprovisioned or uncontrolled service, attackers are able to register an account with said service provider and claim a subdomain that could potentially provide them with a backdoor onto your public DNS infrastructure. So very important to understand what's out there. Very straightforward. So simply navigate to attack surface mapping, potential vulnerabilities, discover shadow IT, create new. For this demonstration, we're going to use the Microsoft dummy domain contorso.com. Click search. And here we have 1,706 results linked to Contorso, with the query being the domain, the answer being the IP address, and you can order by first seen, last seen, whatever you like. So you can copy the raw data. You can view first, then copy the raw data. Okay, you can download it using that button there. Silent Push Enterprise users are also able to monitor daily changes to the data set, use the data in a feed, or integrate the query into the security stack using our API. Once you have a list of services on the Explore screen, you can click on any results and choose a query type from the pop-up menu to pivot to the data. So let's do a reverse A record lookup on 94.136.40.82. And here we have a list of domains associated with that IP. And again, you can further pivot through this data set. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. For further guidance, you can visit our knowledge base at help.silentpush.com. Feel free to email info@silentpush.com with any questions or queries relating to any aspect of the platform. Thanks for watching. Take care.